A question was asked if there is a way to search for designs that are used on a project. So, for example, to find out how many projects that a specific design is on. There isn't currently a native report that will allow you to do that. So this is something that you have to plan as you create new projects. Because when you create your new project, that's the time that you'll capture the data to be able to search for it. So for example, I'll add this particular design. I will capture that design information, and in the notes field, you can use any of these fields to search, but let's say, for example, I'm going to use keywords. I'm going to add that design ID or that item ID. You can add as many different designs as you would like to. When you capture them, especially Windows users, make sure your cursor copies it from the right to the left or left to the right. But if you just right-click in the field and choose copy, what actually happens is you'll capture all of the design item ID and the description, which is going to be more than you're probably looking to do. Between each one of these titles, you do need to ensure that you are putting a comma so that it identifies it as something separate. You can continue to do this with anything that you would like to do, make all of your changes, but capture it, right-click, copy, go the notes, go the keywords, and then paste it. Okay? Now let's say this is the one that I'm going to capture. You need to add these items, the keywords or notes field or pickup or any of these fields needs to be done while the status of the particular project is in working, quoted, or hold. Once it's gone into production, you're not able to manually add any of the extra keywords or make those modifications. So now I want to search for it. I would go to the Find feature up here and then use the keywords. So you can manually type it in, the one that you're looking for. You can use your copy paste, whatever it is, to enter the keyword or any portion of the keyword. If you leave out any of the numbers, for example, let's say I just leave out the 1 and I have a 91, 92, 93, 94, it's going to find all of those as well. So you want whatever that combination of characters to locate your design. Click on Continue, and now it will pull up all of the projects that keyword, which is my item ID, is listed on. You're not going to be able to see the quantity of that particular design on each one of these, but this does allow you to hop to each design that you would like to find. At some point in the future, you'll be able to go from here and go to Design Detail and print out a report that will give you that information. That report will be turned on the next update, which we hope is coming out very shortly.